One two one two one two. الله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة. عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس. الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار. المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر. سبحان الله عما يشركون. صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the ceremony for the donation of street lights from the Chinese Embassy to the ChaaluMale'City Council. The Mayor of Male, councillors, and members of staff of the ChaaluMale'City join me in extending a very warm welcome to Her Excellency Wang Lijun, China's ambassador to the Maldives. We are also grateful to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for accepting our invitation to attend this important ceremony. We just heard the recitation of verses from the Holy Quran by Madin Musa to start proceedings. May I now request Ambassador Wang and Mayor Dr. Moise to take their seats on stage to sign the certificate to formalize the donation of 3,000 LED street lights for the improvement of the lighting system of all municipal roads of ChaaluMale'City, a donation by the Chinese Embassy in Maldives to the ChaaluMale'City Council. you, Ambassador Wang Lijun and Mayor Dr. Muhammad Moise. May I humbly request Her Excellency Wang Lijun, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Republic of Maldives, to deliver her remarks.
Respected Dr. Muizu, Mayor of Malay, and respected Dr. Hala Hamid, Secretary of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very glad on behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Maldives to donate 3,000 LED street lights to Malay City Council as a token of friendship and also an important event to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the diplomatic relations between China and Maldives. China and Maldives are friendly neighbors. Our traditional friendship dates back to ancient times. So the two countries established the diplomatic relations in 1972, and we are going to celebrate the 50th birthday of our bilateral relations next month. So over the past 5 decades, our two countries have always respected each other, treated each other as equals, trusted each other, and helped each other in unity. So, and we have always supported each other on the issues related to our respective core interests and major concerns. China-Maldives relations have become a model of friendly exchanges, mutual benefit, and win-win cooperation among countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Malay, as the capital city of Maldives, has played an important role in the history of China-Maldives relations. Firstly, Malay has witnessed lots of major events that enhance the China-Maldives friendship. In September 2014, Malay witnessed the historical state visit by Chinese President Xi Jinping, during which the two sides agreed to establish future-oriented, all-round, friendly, and cooperative partnership, lifting the China-Maldives relations to a new level. Maldives also decided to join the Belt and Road Cooperation during the visit. At the beginning of this year, Malay witnessed the important visit by Chinese State Council and Foreign Minister Wang Yi, which ushered in a new journey for our bilateral relations. In the critical moment when Malay faced the freshwater crisis in 2014, and when Maldives was seriously hit by COVID-19 pandemic these 2 years, Chinese government and people always stood with the Maldivian people and tried their best to offer help at the first time. Malay is also the witness for all this. Secondly, Malay has benefited a lot from China-Maldives practical cooperation, especially from joint building Belt and Road. Last month, we celebrated the 4th birthday of ChaaluMale Bridge, which reminded us of the transformative effect it has brought to Malay over the past 4 years. Some friends tweeted the pictures of the daily life of local people before and after the bridge was built, from which we can see the great changes vividly. Besides the bridge, the Chinese companies have built about 10,000 social housing units in Greater Malay, which have greatly improved the living conditions of thousands and thousands of families. Power generation and power grid connection projects have provided almost 80% of all electricity demand of residents and enterprises in Greater Malay. The expansion and upgrading of Vela International Airport will definitely promote the development of tourism in Maldives. All in all, the practical cooperation between the two countries has brought tangible benefits to Malay and its residents. Certainly, Malay has contributed a lot to China-Maldives friendship as well. Over the past several years, Malay has become sister cities with a few Chinese provinces and cities, such as Suzhou City, Shenzhen City, and Guangxi Province, which opened a new gate to cultural and people-to-people exchanges between the two countries. Thank you, Malay, for all you have contributed. We are confident that Malay will play an even more important role in the future development of our bilateral relations. I'd also like to take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to Dr. Muizu for the strong support Malay City Council has rendered to the Chinese Embassy in Maldives. Thank you very much for that. Donate the LED street lights to Malay City Council, which proves again that the Chinese side would always support the Maldives in accelerating economic and social development. As State Councilor and Foreign Minister Wang Yi said, the joint construction of the Maritime Silk Road by China and Maldives serves the common interests of our two peoples. Our two countries are jointly embarking on a road towards hope, prosperity, and happiness. Hopefully, the LED streets will illuminate the road of happiness for the local people while making Malay much brighter and more beautiful. Finally, I wish China-Maldives friendship a brighter future. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. May I now ask the Honorable Mayor of Male'City, Dr. Muhammad Mois, to deliver his remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sinukaran Rajya Kandala Fahuna Safir, Her Excellency Wang Lijin, Ministry of Foreign Affairs Secretary Dr. Hala Hamid, Hazir Wadang Tibevi, Mhakunachtum, Assalamu alaikum. Miadu Mibeve Ufaveri Rasmiataki, China Sarukarum, Male'City Council and Hadia Kofawa, Tinghas led Magumati Batti, Rasmi Kong Haval Kurumga Rasmiat. Madega Diriule Rayitunge, Salamata Faseha Kamataka, China Embassy Medurico. Mi libunu aguhuri hadiyage sababun wara zamamanden badalu nukure vihuri maade adi vilingilige huriha magubattita zamana fete ali heover led lightina radukaviya badalu korevigen daan mige udados kole kuring safir wanna rasmi haisiyatum badal kurma awna libunu fursatuga Male'City Councilun demunda khidmattaka Ada Kuramunda Zimma Tauga Maulumato, Ekamanang Audo, Denevi. Egotum, Male Grayitunga Diruma Luifaseha, Vegan Dane, Adi Audmenge, Hidumeta, Haduve, Itura Fula Vegendane by Kankam Gavaha Kavis Audo, Ekamana Rihuga, Danavade. Natija Kavi, Miadu, China in Mi Hadia Kura, Magubatita, Hamajigan Dio. Mi fursatuga awunuge emme ufairi wajibaki maadege umrani taragiya adi rayitunge diriulumuge kurieruma abaduges China in vedemunda dilete ehiterikama China sarukara ikhlasteri shukure dennevum adi China ya divhirajya demedu onna ihtirama binaifawa harudana ikhlasteri gulumuge meduveri farai kamugawa China ge embassy ya haggu shukuru ariskurum miyadaki Devahirajya mi aharaki Devahirajya China ya demedu khariji gulun gaim kurewunuta fansas aharu fure tarihi munasabu ahara vi hindu China sarukara adi ambassador mi munasabatuga tahuniya awun men dannawa hame yaku awun menge mi dawatu gabul kurawwa Ministry of Foreign Affairs ge faratum Secretary Dr. Hala Hamid mi rasmiyatuga bari wadagen nevi kamattaka ekamana ves waram huno marhaban awun men dannawa a dengi wadanna fadan China ki rajyage taraggiya hama kama ihtiramuge nuguda asasege macca binay fawa gota divihirajyan emme bodu ehiteri kame difawa taraggige baaveriya daadi fahum divehin ufairi kame ki faha kuri cinema le bridge hatarwana ahari duwaha gulige media kun kuri dirasa kun hama wegen diyei e muhimmu umrani taraggige wasilatuge beenu mihatana sateka milionavre gina faharu koffawa kama Malaya hulule adi Velana International Airport demedu faseha kama halui kama eku divehinna faturverin daturu kurevegin daagota medurefa umaki gaumi taraggiya fahakan as rajyega libigendiya emme faalukam bodu emme demehettenivi kuriyerum Rais Yamin adi Rais Xi Jinping na demedu kurevulu mashwarage aliga ekulawa levunu e muhimmu mashruge tanfizi wazirege haisiyatun Rais Yamin hamajessavi faratuge sharaf libunu miha kama wumaki miyadu e ufaveri kamuga awunda ufaveri kamu fahuru awunda libikenda kanta cinema le bridge iturun rajya China sarukarum taragige gina kankan gina ehitake foroko difawati ekam ves midandiyoluga khalis shukure ekamuttaka China sarukara awundu dannawa magutan heduma hulumalega huri tawata hiya mashruge tawartaka airporta mifada gina mashruta mikamuge ramze gotuga fude China embassy ki MaleCity council waragga gulume damhattamu gendawa adi awun menge masakkettaka abadume hivvara ehiterikam forokodde munda farate safir wangaki verikan kura malega rayitunge beenuntaka medu abadume maulumat olu filuwa rayitunna luifaseha kama ufairekan genuwan eki kankama medure munda kankam medu madadu veriwamattaka councila ehiterikam devwa miture ekamana mi rasmiyatu sharaferi koddevwa kami city councila dibigenda warabodu ufale adi tiabeflung izuna fulaeku ekamanaya China ga faratum mi rasmiyatu ga bari wadannawa faratto ga manfaataka awundu ingiresi bahun detin ecce dannawalan gastukura Ambassador Wang Lijin, representative of the Foreign Ministry, Dr. Hala Hamid, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to welcome you all to this ceremony to formalize the donation of 3,000 LED streetlights from the Chinese Embassy to the MaleCity Council. This generous gift from the Chinese Embassy will make MaleCity more safer and to improve the lives of the residents in Male and Vilingili. It will also enable us to install much needed additional lights across the city where it is necessary. In the next few months, our staff will replace the aged lights in every city of the capital, making our streets and public areas more brighter, more safer, and more convenient. It is therefore my great pleasure to thank you, Your Excellency, on behalf of the residents of MaleCity. Today's donation adds to a long list of development assistance by the Chinese government and the people that has benefited the people of MaleCity. China has always focused on development cooperations that directly benefits the people and remain as visible reminders of a true friendship founded on mutual trust and respect. The China-Maldives Friendship Bridge, which has served as a symbol of hope and progress in our capital, has just completed 4 years in service. It has been estimated that in this time over 100 million crossings have been made on the landmark bridge, which not only connects Male, Velana International Airport and Hurumale, but also forges a pathway for prosperity for thousands of families and businesses. The role I was able to play in that and other developments in Male City under the direction of President Abdul Yamin Abdul Qayyum in my previous portfolio served to foster my deep appreciation to China and her friendly people. This donation today coincides with the historic celebration of 50 years of diplomatic ties and close cooperation between the two friendly nations. I wish to send warm greetings on this occasion to Your Excellency and the dedicated staff at the Chinese Embassy, as well as the government and friendly people of China. The tremendous contribution of China to the post-independence socio-economic developments of the Maldives has created a lasting bond of friendship between our two people. We at the Male City Council express our commitment to you in sharing in this joyful celebration. We also look forward to working closely with you in the future. Once again, I express my sincere gratitude to China for this valuable gift to the people of Male City. Xie. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mayor. As a final item for this morning's ceremony, we now invite the ambassador and the mayor to witness the installation of the very first streetlight donated by the Chinese Embassy to the Male City Council. Thereafter, the mayor will bid farewell to the ambassador. Refreshments are served in the adjacent room for everybody. We thank you all for attending, and I hope you have a lovely day ahead of you. Wassalamu alaikum.
Orang je kami pun tu.